theme gets thrown around a lot when people talk about writing. I've heard various definitions for it, but the one I like to use is theme being a takeaway about the world that somebody would have after watching or reading your story. For example, let's say we have a sports story about an underdog hero who isn't that naturally talented but works very hard. If the hero beats a very naturally talented opponent at the end, the theme would be something along the lines of perseverance could lead to success. Your story should only have one theme. Now that theme could have many different facets and many different moving pieces, and it could be quite sophisticated in terms of the philosophical or psychological commentary that it's making. But it should be one specific thing. This keeps your story focused. So if you're writing and you start drifting from theme and start proving a commentary that is not central to your main theme, your story's going to start veering and the audience is going to be able to feel that.